Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to work on another problem. It's not a problem, rather something that Durga Ganesh want me to do. So he's asking like how can we how can we get the installed driver version and note it down in a new file. So today we are going to work on this, and Durga Ganesh, thank you again for asking this question and subscribing to the channel. So again, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and let's jump back to the problem. So what Durga Ganesh is asking, let me just tell you. If you have a Windows system, I think you guys can relate to it. Let me simplify everything first, then I'll do everything. So if you execute this command on PowerShell, what you will get is you will get a list of drivers installed, and there are a lot of them. So as you can see, this list is ongoing, but we don't want this, right? Let's talk about a specific driver, and let's talk about the version of that driver and how can we get it, right? So let's do that. So what I will do is I'll have a list. So a list would be depending on the columns or the parameters that you want, which will somehow look like this. So when you execute this, again this is a long list, but you will see 3 columns here. First is your name of the driver, second is your manufacturer, third is the driver version, and this is the main thing that we want to fetch, right? Now again we can do more filtering. So let's say if I want to get audio driver version installed, or maybe the name or manufacturer, anything that I want to get. So as you can see here, where did it go? Dolby is here, NVIDIA, where is Realtek? Here you can see the audio universal service, right? So let's try to fetch the version of this. So there is one more criteria to filter out, and that criteria is using where object. Here you can, so I have device name and device version right now, so I can do, I'm not trying to get the manufacturer because I don't need that, I just showed you for reference. So here I'm filtering out using device name, and the name is Realtek Audio Universal Service. So it will just fetch me 2 parameters. So if I try to submit this, you can see that I got the device name and the driver version. So I'll now execute this command through Python, and we'll try to save this device name and device name and driver version in a text file. So let's do that. So first you need to have a module naming subprocess. So if you don't have that, you need to pip install that, and if you have it, then that's good. So first let's import subprocess, right? After doing that, you will need a command string to hold that command. So I am just going to copy this command to save me some time. I'll paste it here. Now what we need to do is we need to use subprocess dot run method. So here I will provide first what application I want to use. I can use CMD, but here I want to use PowerShell, and then I will here type command to later on provide the command string, and here I will provide command, and then I'm going to wrap this up. You can go to the documentation for subprocess run method also to get more clarity of the syntax, but this is how we do it. There are a lot of pipe parameters that you can use along with it, but this is what we need. So I'll do this as true and T as capital, right? So this is going to run this command in PowerShell, and then I want to get the output in a variable. So I can get this, and let's try to run till here. I'll just try to do result dot return code to see what I'm getting, and let's do it. So if you try to run this, it is going to open the PowerShell and do the command, and if you see return code as 0, that means that it was successful. So you can also do if else check, because you don't want to try to fetch anything if the command was not successful. So I'll just do if result dot return code not equals to 0, or you can do if it is equals 0, then only go to this. So I'll do two things here, not equals to 0. In that case, I'm going to print something bad happened. Please check the command. Okay, else what we are going to do is we are going to get the output. So output is going to be in result dot std out, and then I can print this. So let's try this. So as you can see here, I got the data but not in the desired format. So I'll try to format this. To do that, there is a simple way. I'll do format, and then I'll do output dot decode. I'll just because the type that we are getting after std out, you can also do a type check here like this. You will see that it is a byte type. So I'll just convert it to string using our UTF encoding. So after this, you will see data in more clear format. So as you can see here, it looks fine. So now I'm just going to put this up in a new file. So to do that, we don't need to print it here, right? I'll just do let's say file equals to we need to open a file, and I don't have a file, so I'll just do let's say output.txt, and I'll use w because I want to write and it doesn't have anything right now, and I'll do write I'll say output again, something like this. Then I'll write. You can also try to write the timestamp here so that you can have the clarity, like when did that happen, or you can have logs. It's up to you. Then you can directly put your string here. Sorry, I'm in a bad habit of using Java here. And then you just want to close your file. That's it. So let's let's do this. Okay, so it's not going to print out anything. So I saved this here, driver version.py, so it's going to be here, output.txt. Let's open this. So as you can see, the output got printed in the desired format. So this is all for this video. Again, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day, stay safe, and bye bye.